Hello and welcome back beautiful people into another video. In this video we are going to talk about the YouTube visibility. Unlisted, public, private and schedule. So what are these and how can we use this in our video? So I'm going to open my browser and open my YouTube channel. From here we need to go in visibility. So after go visibility you can see there are many options: private, unlisted, public or schedule. So first I'm going to talk about private. How can we use this? So only you and people who choose can watch your video. It is actually your private video. No one can see your video. But if you want to share privately, then you need to put your email. So that's why you can share your private video. Now I'm talking about unlisted. So if you click on unlist and you unlist your video, then no one can see your video without your video link. So if I click on unlist, then you give someone your video link, then this person can only see your video. So now I'm talking about public. The many video we see in YouTube is select on public mode. So everyone can watch your video in YouTube. If you set instant prime, it will work like a live video. So I'm going to uncheck this. Now we are going to talk about schedule. Schedules mean you want to publish your video later. So that's why you need to select a date for your video. So you can see date and time. So you can see this time zone. You can also select this time zone. So I'm going to change my time. So you can see this option set as a premiere. We already see this option in public. So if I click on schedule, my video will be scheduled. So that's why you can upload your video in YouTube and you can publish your video. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you learned something new, then subscribe this channel for more videos.